This is a 2018 GMC Sierra. This is the SLT trim package, and this thing's really loaded out for an SLT. And probably the most important part, it's got the big 6.2-liter V8 engine pushing 420 horsepower through the 8-speed automatic to all four wheels. This one has heated and cooled seats. You can see the black perforated leather, a beautiful layout there on the dash, and just over 100,000 miles, 104 as of this video. This one's extremely loaded. Got the heated and cooled seats, as I mentioned, as well as a heated steering wheel. It's got the lane departure assist. It's got backup camera. And as you can see, as you step in the back seat, it's a big crew cab truck, so you can take the whole family along with you in this rig. 5 seats, nice amount of storage. Someone spent the money and got the all-weather mats there. A step in the back, of course, a hitch, and a 5 3/4 foot bed with a bed mat, as well as a spray-in bed liner, and of course a tonneau cover too. Somebody really took good care of this truck, and you're going to be able to benefit from that on this one. Come check it out, Next Level in Hillsboro.